I've got 2 lighting upgrades that are going to give your RV a sleek, upscale feel without the high power draw. We're talking about our 12-volt LED wall sconce and our 12-volt flush mount ceiling light, both finished in an eye-catching matte black with gold trim. These aren't just lights, they're style statements for your RV interior. Let's start with the 12-volt wall sconce. It features a smooth black body accented with a warm gold trim that really pops. It's great for your bedroom, entryway, or hallway, any spot where you want soft ambient lighting. Now take a look at the matching 12-volt flush mount ceiling light. This low-profile fixture is perfect for ceilings with limited space, like above your dinette, kitchen, or even in a bathroom. And the best part? These 2 lights pair perfectly together, whether you're updating one room or creating a cohesive look throughout your entire RV. The matching design helps pull your interior style together seamlessly. Want to learn more about these products? Go ahead and click the link in the description below. And if you like this video and you want to see what we do more in the future, go ahead, like, and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.